Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a rosebud, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is make a small upside down V, just like that. Now from that V, what we're going to do is make a curved line coming out this way and a curved line coming out this way. Now we're going to close these two curved lines up with more curved lines, down like this, and then a small curved line right here. Now we're going to go back up to this space right here, and we are going to make our actual rosebud. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a curved line coming up, and then a curved line coming down. Inside this shape, we're just going to make a few lines because our rosebud is closed up. So we're going to start at this tip right here, and we're going to make a curved line down. And then we're going to start about right here, and we're going to make a curved line, and then one more curved line like this. Because remember, our rosebud is closed up. Now what we're going to do is make the stem and the base. So for this area, you're just going to make a shape that looks like this. It's like kind of like a fancy letter U. And then for the stem, we come down, and then we come down. And then if you'd like to make a leaf, you make a small stem for the leaf, and then you come up, and then you come up, and then we put the vein in there. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for watching.